Hi, it's Michael with Wise Agent. We understand that keeping track of all your properties is difficult for some real estate agents. That's why our properties page features allow you to easily track and add new properties to your list. You can find this by heading to your homepage and selecting the Properties drop-down menu. Let's get started. Once you head to the Property drop-down menu, select on Property List. This will bring you to a list of all your current properties. From here you can edit, archive, create a digital ad, or delete any properties on this page. You can also edit your categories, check your active checklist, and view all your archived properties. To add a property, go back to the Property drop-down menu and select Add Property. Here you can type in the property's address and make sure everything is correct by clicking the green plus button. Then hit Save. Next you'll be prompted to add photos of the property. Select your photos and hit Upload. Once the photos are uploaded, you can rearrange the photos in any order that you would like. If you hit the star icon, it will set that photo as the property's primary photo. Once the photos are all set, you can add any more property information, property features, property description, agent and broker info, franchise or office info, and you can even add all of the lockbox info. Next, you can add a contact. You can create a checklist for a property right from this page. First, select the type of checklist and then the team member that you want to assign it to. Then connect it to a contact. When you're done making your checklist, you can add your commission and make sure all the other important fields look correct. Make sure you're always coming back to your checklist and checking things off so you can stay up to date on the property. To create a flyer for that property, go back to the Edit Property page. Scroll down under the photos and select the header named Flyers. Here you can select a template that you like to create a flyer. Next, you can select what photos will appear on the flyer. Then you can add any more information and select the color scheme. Then make sure all the broker information is correct. Finally, you can view how your flyer will look. You have the option to print or download right from this page. To create a digital ad, go back to the property list and select Create Digital Ad. This will take you to our property blueprint page. You can add any information that you would like, and an ad preview will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Finally, you can head to the lockbox page. Here, you can add a serial number, CVS code, shackle code, and connect the lockbox to a property. Then you can add any notes for the property or the lockbox. You can also edit any current lockboxes as well as delete them when you're done with them. Thanks for watching.